In this video, we will enhance our Power App application that we have created last time, that is a mobile phone. And here you can see this is the description, and this is the name of the mobile, and this is the price. And we need to do a rearrangement, and then we will add one button here and perform some action. So what we need to do, you just need to click mobile name, this label, and drag to the above. And now we need to rearrange, and now we need to change the font size. This font will be, click the name, properties, and then we need to increase to 20, and the font weight will be bold, and for the description it will be 18, and the font will be normal, this one. So we have rearranged different items. The first is the name of the mobile, the second is the description, and the third is the price. So, and now we need, there are three options. The first one is like a mobile phone, and when somebody click on this mobile phone, it's like a home page, and we need to open one website. For example, we want to open this website, Learn Duck. So we need to copy this link, and then I have to click, then we need to select this mobile phone icon and go to the advanced, and here under action on select event we need to use one function, that is launch, and it takes one string that we have to provide in the form of address, and then we need to close it, this one. So after this we need to click here. Either you can press F5 or either you can preview the app by clicking here. And here you can see, if I click mobile phone, see, we are able to see this website. We need to rename to mobiles so that we can have enough space for the button. So what we can do now, we need to click insert. You have two options. Either you can click button, either you can click icon. For example, if I click icon, and you can see here different icons are there, and we need to select, for example, home, and just drag and drop to the proper location. And now you can change the colors and all these things that you can do by clicking the properties. And first you need to select this item, and then you need to change the color and all these things. For example, if I say the background will be this one, so then we need to click this one. Either you can change the event here, for example, false, and if I write here launch, because I need this function, so when we will click on this icon, it will open the website that we wanted to open, this one. And if you go to the advanced, see, on select we have the same address. So if you click preview and again click to this icon, it will open the website, right? So in this video we have seen that how we can rearrange different items, and how we can add label, button, icon, and how we can associate icon or button or the label to the URL. That's all about this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel, and if you have any question, please write in the comment section.